Hello everyone. Do you want to expand the functionality of your Webflow website with powerful plugins? In this video, I will showcase the best 5 free Webflow plugins that you must have in 2023, from adding animation and interaction to implement custom forms and SEO optimization. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
So here we go, guys, starting with the CMS, which is Webflow CMS. Basically, the Webflow CMS, which is content management system, allows you to create and manage dynamic content on your website. It provides a bunch of powerful features such as collection dynamic lists and filtering, making it easy to build and maintain content-rich websites. So all as you can see here, you can see all the things that it covers. It works with any other plugin as designers, editors, content strategists, and developers. And this is how it looks like. So it is already integrated on your website. If you do not have it already, make sure to implement it inside of your website. It helps a lot to make literally everything that you think of real with this command. You don't really have to do anything like crazy. It will help you do literally everything. It can create the content structures you need and add content by hand from a CSV or even via our API, then design it visually. Finally, a content management system that works for designers and developer. You can go to the dashboard and check it by yourself. So you can go here, go to to whatever website you have and click on it, open and check if it is working for you through here. And basically, once you create your website, it will be implemented already in it. So you don't have to worry about that. And now let's head up to the second app which you have to do, which is Designer. This powerful designer app is basically as it is. So it is designer. What it helps you do is simply it will help you a lot to create visual web design tool that will allow you to design customize your website visually. It offers a drag and drop interface, responsive design control, and advanced styling options, empowering you to create unique and visual appealing websites. So this is how it looks like. As you can see in the right, this is how you can do it. You can even make like transaction animations and much more. And as I said, it will be already implemented in your website. And basically, as you can see here, you see this transaction that they have in this page. You can make it with this plugin itself. You don't really have to know anything about programming, any language. Whatever you think of, you can make it using this app. Make sure to add it also to your website, and basically you can even export code for download. You can add your own code and you have cross-browser compatible. So it is a very useful and top of all the plugins that you have to get on your Webflow website if you don't know any clue about coding. And of course, without talking about if you have it or not, of course you do have it. If you want to your dashboard and you want to your website, simply click on your website to start designing and it is already been seen. So here, if I click on anything on my website and I try to move it, that is what the function does. So I try to move this one, for example, anywhere I want, it will be the actual plugin that helps me to do so. If I try to move the section to change anything, as you can see here, I'm moving stuff around. I don't know what I did, but yeah, this is the plugin that helps me do it. Without it, my website will not be functioning at all, and this page will not be functioning as well. And now let's jump to the next app or plugin that you need to have on your Webflow website. So here we go with the e-commerce plugin. Simply e-commerce, it says what it says. So the best about the plugin that you have on Webflow, they have just one name. For example, on WordPress, you see Elementor. What does it mean? What does it do? You don't really know. But here on apps of Webflow, the name describes the function of the application. So Webflow e-commerce, if you're looking to set up like an online store, Webflow e-commerce provides like a built-in solution. It allows you to create product catalogs, manage inventory, set up payment gateways, and handle order fulfillment, all within the Webflow platform. And guys, this plugin does not come with the website. To get it, you have to go view dashboard and then go, for example, let's click on this one for now. I don't think I have added it to this website. So what you have to do is click here and click on this e-commerce. So I think I do have it, or setup guide. Yeah, I do have it in this website. But overall, guys, once you click here, they will ask you if you share. Make sure to click on yes, and then you'll have to follow these 11 steps that they will show you in case you'd like to open your store on Webflow. As you can see, you can here choose the currency settings, add product, add shipping method, review taxes, add design to your cart, product page, checkout page, design e-commerce emails, and literally everything that you think of, you can actually do it through this plugin. You can manage products, categories, discounts, and your orders, and even your subscriptions. That's all within a single one app, which is e-commerce. And now, guys, let's go to the fourth plugin that we have today, which is interactions. So basically, interactions is kind of an animation plugin that will help you a lot in your Webflow website. So basically, Webflow interactions enables you to add interactive animations and effects to your website without writing any code. You can create scroll-based animations, hover effects, transitions, and more, enhancing the user experience and engagement. This interactions plugin will be added by default, of course, to your to your Webflow website. Here you can see some of their designs, how it works. You can make them go right, move around, like split the image and make it merge in the middle. So all of these are actually made by you. You can make like the image twist, follow your mouse. The same goes for these ones. You can make it go up, go down. This one I can move it down and everything. So here you can make, if I hover over it, it will change the colors and everything here. And here, if I hover it, it will create like a shadow. So all of this will be created using this app, which is pretty nice looking. And imagine you can do this without even knowing anything about coding. Somehow, 2 years before now, we will say that there will be impossible, but right now it is really very possible to do. And now with the last Webflow plugin that we have for today, which is Webflow hosting. Basically, Webflow hosting provides secure and reliable hosting for your website. It offers fast loading pages, global content delivery, and automatic SSL. So you'll have the SSL certificate on your website, ensuring your website is optimized for performance and security. So you don't have to worry about getting the SSL certificate from anywhere else. The Webflow will give you everything. So here it is how speed the load time on some websites that they have on Webflow using this app, which is the hosting app. Here they explain to you how you can get a free account and how you can buy a custom domain from Webflow or any kind of other application than Webflow, for example, GoDaddy or Google Domains. Here you can buy the right site plan for you, connect your custom domain to the hosting, and rejoice in fully managed hosting. Everything here, as you can see, is explained in detail, so you don't really have to do anything. Basically, this plugin, once you install it, there is no settings to go through. It will do its job without you doing anything. And yeah, guys, those were the 5 top best plugins for your Webflow website. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.